So over the course of the last several months, I've been using the Google Nest battery operated video doorbell. I've been really pleased with it, but I noticed the coloring and everything is really improved. So I wanted you to see different times of the day when I tested it today, and you get an idea. So if you're thinking about getting the doorbell, then hopefully this video will be of help to you. I also live in an apartment. I live in the end down the breezeway, and so you could see it shoots straight out, so that could get interesting because where the sun hits and darkens things up. So again, you'll get a pretty good feel. Also, because I'm on the end and you have to walk all the way down the breezeway, I needed the doorbell to be on an angle, and I wasn't able to drill in. So I got this bracket. It mounts around the door, and I can adjust the angle, and it works really well. Even though the doorbell looks like it's going out to the courtyard, it does a really good job as far as catching the whole breezeway as I'm walking down. So here you go, take a look, and I'll put a link to both the doorbell as well as the bracket so you can check it out, and if it's for you, and leave any comments or any questions you have, and I'll try and answer those. Thanks so much. Enjoy the video. Okay, it's 7:45 a.m. and I wanted you to get an idea how the doorbell performs during different times of the day and where the direction the sun is. I find this is a difficult place where my doorbell is at this point because the sun is behind me, but it will give you an idea as well as coloring and lighting. And I think that the doorbell camera, since I've gotten it, has improved as far as the video quality. It's brightened it up, it's done a better job with the blues in the skies. And now as I stand closer to the camera, it gives you an idea. Also, you can get an idea as well as the sound quality with my voice and picking up. And I like the fact is, while it gives a narrow depth as far as mostly being a vertical video picture, it does a great job giving a video picture of all the way down, so people as they are coming up this breezeway is picking people up, which helps. Where I did try the Ring camera, and that was a challenge, and I'll share that video with you. So I'll be back at other points of the day, but again, it's around 7:45 a.m. and this will give you an idea how it performs in the morning. Okay, so it is 12 p.m. and this will give you an idea as the sun has adjusted. Still got some blue skies out there, but it will give you an idea of how bright I am and how clear you could see me in the middle of the day. And I will next be back towards the end of the day and then one more time in the evening as well. So again, this is 12 p.m. Okay, it's about 5:15 p.m. and this will give you an idea of how bright the camera still delivers, how clear it is, and the sun is now on the back side of the building. So while it is on the back side of the building, it's still in that corner, and you get an idea of how clear it is. I'm gonna stand closer to the camera so you get a real good feel. So I'm standing really close. It may look like I'm a little further away, but at least it will give you an idea. And if you find this video of help, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber and find any value, then click that subscribe button. And of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos just like this one. And I'll be back later this evening for one final run through so you get an idea from different times of the day. Okay, it's about 9:15. It is, as you can see, it's getting dark out. Still a little light. Obviously you got the overhead light. And this will give you an idea of how well it brightens things up. With me here in front of the camera, I'm about arm's length, and how well you can see my face, how well you can hear my voice. And this really, again, is a great combination with the Ring doorbell, the battery version, and this bracket, as I shared with you, so you could still get the angle. Again, I'll be sure to put a link for both so you can check it out, and if it makes sense, you can order it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I appreciate your time. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.